what's up, y'all? This is Nene Nails 87. Today I am bringing y'all a product review unboxing of this nail practice hand that I got off of Amazon. I'm about to start recording videos again. I done got into my own spot, so I'm able to record like I normally would want it to, but shit happens. So anywho, I'm going to leave the link for this in the bottom, but I'm going to go ahead and we're going to open it up. And we're going to see what comes in this bad boy. Again, I got it off of Amazon. I got Prime, so it came in 2 days. It looks like we get us a nail filer. That's cute. And I needed some brushes. Anywho, we get some brushes. We get that little dust thingy. Excuse my nails. I'm going to do my nails tonight, hopefully. And then I think there's 100 tips in here. And then, of course, we got the hand. Sorry, y'all. And I'm going to ask y'all to bear with me on my recording because that was another reason why I kind of stopped recording this, because I was getting irritated with my angles, but I can't give up. So I'm going to keep going until I figure this out. So y'all going to be learning with me. But yeah, so anyway, I am about to clip. It has the little twist thing, so you can put it on your nail desk or wherever you're doing your nails. I'm going to sit mine right here. My bad. So y'all just moved in. So you just want to unscrew this thing until it's to where it fits on your table. Still ain't. Just keep unscrewing it. Boom. So I don't know if y'all can see. I'm gonna try to turn y'all a little bit. I got it on the edge of my table right here. So now all you want to do is that same little knob that I just showed you. You want to screw that in to your table until it's on there. And bam! You got you a hand. I can't afford one of them, whatchamacallits, them silicone hands. I can't wait to get my hands on one, but yeah, I can't afford it right now. So as you see, she has like this little, I guess you can call it like a gooseneck thing, where you're able to move her side to side. We can move her back. So I just got her up there. So hopefully my videos come out cool, y'all. I'm recording off my phone, but I'm still excited. It's good quality. It ain't no bad quality phone, so yeah. Again, I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can check that out. And then also I ordered this Beetles rhinestone glue. It's like a big one of these. And then it came with like a wax pen and these gel brushes for that. So I'm excited to use this because I usually use builder gel on my rhinestones, but I'm not saying that they fall off, but I just want to try new stuff. So yeah, y'all, so I know I ain't been on here in a long time, so I want y'all to come on and start rocking with me again. I have a press on nail business, so I'm going to be doing a lot of press on nail videos is what my channel, I want to kind of build it around. My little journey, because I've been doing press on nails for about a year now, and yeah, it's been busy. So I would like to start, you know, vlogging that and coming on here and showing y'all some sets. But yeah, again, this will be down below, and again, thank y'all for rocking with me. See y'all later.
Do my thing, my girl was in the club. Yeah, we're feeling down to be. Yeah, the music on repeat.